Welcome to MaxSmart. Today we will show you a tutorial for the working of this phenomenal 12 megapixel indoor as well as outdoor wireless IP camera. Come, let's have a view. As you can see in the camera, there are three wires which is being provided. The first one is the reset wire, the second one is the LAN wire, and third one is the power adapter wire. Along with the box is being provided an adapter, for which you need to connect the adapter to the main power plug and try to connect this main power plug adapter to the inverter source, so that when the electricity is being cut off, still you can enjoy the uninterrupted connection of this camera. Now let's see that this is the cable of the power plug. You need to insert the adapter power plug one end into this wire, and once you will insert this cable, the camera will switch on and the lights in the camera will be switched on and it will start to configure. It will speak some words which you have to just follow, and now you need to just download an application, that is V380 Pro, and during the time when the camera is being installing and being configuration, so we can download the application. Now see, it is saying that the system is ready and it will slowly configure. So now I will tell you that how to download the application, that is V380 Pro, and how we can operate this camera with the Wi-Fi of the home and along with the Android or any another phone, that is the iPhone. So what you need to do is just go to the Play Store or the App Store of your phone and download the application, that is V380 Pro. We have already downloaded the application and we will just open the application. On the main page of the application, here you can see that there is a login option. For this login option, you need to register it. You can also do it without the registration, but I do recommend that go with the registration of the account for a better security purpose.
System startup completed.
Now you can
Wi-Fi connecting.
Now you can listen that the camera is speaking some words, that the camera is being connected to the Wi-Fi and is being configured. Now you can just easily connect with the application
Wi-Fi connected.
V380 Pro. Just click on the register option, and after the registration option, here there are three options being reflected. First of all, you need to select the country. Select the country region accordingly. Now I am selecting Asia for India. Now please provide the email ID for the verification code, so that you can have a verification code on the phone. Now I have once I have inserted the email ID, you need to click on the verify code and the code will be sent automatically to the email ID that you have provided. Fill in the code over here and then just go to the return option. Now input the email ID that you have registered and provide the password. Now you can select the password according to your own wish, but do remember the password because it will be utilized for logging into the application. Once inputting the password, just click on the login option. Now the application has been logged in. Now here you can see there is a tap plus option seen on the right side of the application, also in the center also. You can click on any one of this one or this one, it's up to you. Once clicking on it, you can see three options are being reflecting. Click on the Wi-Fi smart camera because it is a Wi-Fi enabled camera. Now after clicking on it, you can have two views, that is a manual adding view, or you can search the device nearby. I will tell you how to connect the camera manually. By clicking on the add manually option, go to the next option. Now here you can see three options are being reflected. You need to click on the Wi-Fi connected option. Now here you can follow any of the procedure, either inputting the digit of the device ID manually or by scanning the code. Now in the camera, you can see in the neck region is being provided the number. So you can either manually put this number or you can scan this barcode to start the device ID. So I am manually putting the device ID. The device ID for this is 133696676. You need not to provide any kind of password or username. It is being just normally enabled. Click on the confirm option. Now the configuration is being completed. You can select your device name. You can input your any customized device name also, or you can select from the above provided list. I am going with the living room option and click on the finish option. Now here you can see that the ID of the camera is being reflected and it is showing the LAN online. It means the camera has been connected. Now just enjoy the view of the camera. Now before enjoying the view, you need to put the password that you have set it. There is one option also of cancelling. If you have not provided any password, you can go with the cancellation option also, but I do prefer with the password option. Click on now the camera is being connected now, and you can have a live view through the camera. Now I will show you that there are a lot of features which are being enabled into this camera. You can rotate this camera into any direction, right, left, up, down. So it also has been provided with a speak option. You just need to click on the speak option button and you can have a direct interaction with the person who is there outside. And now the camera is being connected to the phone. Now what we need to do is just connect the camera and the phone with the home Wi-Fi to have an intermediate medium, so that we can use this camera when we are outside of the home without the home Wi-Fi option. So what you need to do is just go to the back and click on the setting option. In the setting option, there is a network option being provided. Just look for the home Wi-Fi, put the details and click on the confirm option.
Wi-Fi connecting.
Now you can listen that the camera has been speaking something that the Wi-Fi has been connected. It means the camera is being connected to the home Wi-Fi as well as to your phone. Now you can enjoy the camera even though when you are out of the home. I will show you how. Just go to the main page of your phone and switch off the home Wi-Fi and switch on the data of your
Wi-Fi
phone.
connected.
Now go to the application, that is V380 Pro. Open the application and it will connect automatically. It will take bit time, but have patience, it will get connected automatically. But do remember to connect the camera and the phone with the home Wi-Fi with the setting option to have an uninterrupted view of this camera. See, the camera is online, it is showing the online, and now you can have the view. This is with the data of the phone. So anywhere outside the home you can enjoy the camera view. And for any more queries and details, you can just visit our website and call our customer care number. And that's it. Thank you so much.